Hello, you're watching the AutoAdviser channel? How long can you drive an auto? Have you ever wondered about this? It's a question that's more relevant than you might think. Whether you're a professional driver or someone who just enjoys a long road trip, it's crucial to consider the impact of prolonged periods behind the wheel. The human body, especially the spine, isn't designed for long hours of sitting without movement or adjustment. Long-term driving without proper brakes can lead to serious health issues, including spinal deformation. But don't let this discourage you from hitting the open road. Today we're going to delve into this topic, exploring the rules for long-term driving that not only protect but also preserve your spine. We'll uncover the secrets of maintaining a healthy posture while driving and introduce you to some exercises that can be done right in your driver's seat. Stay tuned to learn how to protect your spine while driving for extended periods. Before we delve into the rules, it's crucial to understand our spine and why it's essential. Our spine is a complex structure of vertebrae, discs, nerves, and muscles. It's the backbone, quite literally, of our body, providing support and enabling movement. But the spine does more than just keep us upright. It protects our spinal cord, a bundle of nerves that transmit signals between our brain and the rest of our body. And nestled between each vertebra are discs that act as shock absorbers, cushioning the bones as we move. Now, imagine being in a car, driving for hours on end. The constant vibration, the prolonged sitting, the occasional jolt. Over time, these can put a strain on our spine, potentially leading to discomfort, pain, or even injury. Understanding this, we can see why it's so important to take care of our spine, especially when we're spending long periods behind the wheel. Now that we understand the importance of our spine, let's explore how we can protect it while driving. The first rule in preserving your spine during long drives is taking regular breaks. Now, you might think, I can handle a few hours without stopping. But let's delve into why this approach can be more harmful than you think. You see, when we're driving for prolonged periods, our body, particularly our spine, is subjected to a static posture. This lack of movement can cause muscle stiffness and reduced blood circulation, which in turn can lead to discomfort or even pain. By taking a break every 2 hours or so, you allow your body to stretch those muscles, resume normal blood flow, and reduce the strain on your spine. These breaks don't need to be long. A quick 5 to 10 minutes can do wonders. Stretch your legs, roll your shoulders, do a bit of light walking. It's like hitting a reset button for your body. Remember, regular breaks are not just for your car's engine, but also for your spine. The second rule might seem obvious, but many drivers overlook it: maintaining the correct sitting posture. Now you might be thinking, I've been sitting all my life. How hard can it be? But let me tell you, there's a world of difference between simply sitting and sitting correctly, especially when it comes to long-term driving. So, let's dive into the specifics. Firstly, your back should be snug against the seat with your shoulders touching the backrest. This helps in evenly distributing your weight, reducing the strain on any particular part of your back. Your neck, too, should be in a neutral position, neither craned forward nor leaning back, to avoid unnecessary tension. Moving on to your arms, they should be slightly bent while holding the steering wheel. This provides better control and reduces fatigue. You should be able to reach the wheel without stretching your arms or leaning forward. Remember, your arms are also part of the spine support system, so their position matters. Now you may wonder, how do I achieve this perfect posture? The answer lies in adjusting your seat and steering wheel. Every car is different, and so is every driver. What works for your friend might not work for you. So take a few minutes before you start your journey to adjust your seat's height, distance from the steering wheel, and the tilt of the backrest. The steering wheel, too, should be adjusted so that it's within comfortable reach. One crucial point to remember here is that maintaining this posture shouldn't feel forced or uncomfortable. It should feel natural and relaxed. If it doesn't, you might need to readjust until you find what works for you. Neglecting your posture can lead to a host of issues, including but not limited to spinal deformation. It can cause discomfort, pain, and long-term damage that could potentially impact your quality of life. A correct sitting posture not only helps preserve your spine, but also makes driving more comfortable. The final rule for long-term driving is performing regular exercises. Yes, you heard it right. We're not talking about bench presses or squats, but simple, effective exercises that can be done during your breaks. First off, neck rotations. These are simple yet incredibly effective at relieving neck tension built up from hours of driving. Just slowly rotate your head in a full circle, making sure to hit all points of the compass. Next, shoulder shrugs. Raise your shoulders towards your ears, hold for a few seconds, and then lower them back down. This helps to alleviate the strain on your shoulders from maintaining the same position while driving. Lastly, back stretches. These are crucial in maintaining spinal health and can be as simple as bending forward to touch your toes or twisting gently from side to side. Remember, these exercises are not just for the gym, they are crucial for long-term drivers too. So, how long can you drive an auto? The answer depends on how well you follow these rules. Let's do a quick recap. Rule 1. Take regular breaks. It's not about how far or how fast you can go, but how well you can pace yourself. Breaks allow your body to stretch and relax, reducing the risk of strain and spinal deformation. Rule 2. Maintain correct sitting posture. Your spine will thank you. A straight back with properly aligned shoulders can make all the difference. It's not just about comfort, but longevity behind the wheel. And finally, Rule 3. Perform regular exercises. Simple stretches and movements can help keep your muscles active and your spine flexible, even on those long drives. These rules aren't just guidelines, they're crucial to preserving your spine and overall health during long drives. Remember, protecting your spine is as important as reaching your destination. Drive safe and stay healthy.